Hey, this is Randy with Excel Steel Fab down in Provo, Utah. Bought this revolutionary machinery from these guys up here in Salt Lake. Great customer service. Stop in our shop a couple, 3 times a year and see if we need anything and how we're doing. Needed a bigger saw for all the bigger material and beams and posts and stuff that we're doing, awnings. This thing's got multiple miters that we need and we do all the time. We cut a lot of steel. So we're really grateful for these guys that care, come in. It's hard to get a lot of that kind of service now in the United States. So if you guys are looking for some good service and some good equipment, come on over and talk to these guys.